I'm back for another video, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do the Jirai Kei Ryosangata braid Twintails. I think that this look is incredibly cute. I've seen it around quite a bit on social media, and I recently posted a picture on my Instagram and a few people messaged me about this hairstyle, so I thought I would do a YouTube video on it. I hope that you enjoy. It is incredibly easy and very easy to match with any outfits or use with any kind of hair accessories, so I hope that you will find this video interesting. I've been living in Japan for 2 years and I mainly wear like Japanese kawaii fashion, especially Jirai Kei and Ryosangata. So if you are interested in any of those things, life in Japan or kawaii fashion, please subscribe to this channel and let's get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and start. For this hairstyle, you're going to need a curling iron, rubber bands, any hair ties will do, bobby pins, U-pins, these like really small kind of hair ties, whatever clips or hair accessories you want, and hairspray. Alright, so to start, you're going to use the hairbrush and you're going to make 2 separate sections. And just like you would any twin tail, put them to the height you would like and brush them smooth. I just got my hair colored and cut today, so it's kind of the perfect time to do this. My hair will never be this shiny again. Alright, and then get it up there tight. Just like that. And then to the other side. If there's any parts of your hair that you do not want in the twin tail, make sure to pull them out. And again, brush it smooth, make sure it looks nice. Make sure you're not missing any hair in the back of your neck, because that's embarrassing. And grab the other hair tie, make sure they're about the same height and the same distance from your ear. Okay, make sure they're even. Alright, you should have 2 really cute twin tails. Alright, perfect. Let's move on to the next step. Next, find the piece of hair that you would like to not be part of the buns. Just kind of make like a long rat tail, basically. One part that just isn't in it. And leave it alone. Next, you're going to do a normal braid with the remaining chunk of hair. So just split it into 3 sections and braid it as you would normal. Do not pull the braid too tightly though. We're going to try to keep it loose because you want to have as much volume as possible and you want it to like get that cute like little rose pattern. If it is too tight, it won't look like that and it'll be really hard to make look thicker. So loosely, just a cute braid. And keep going until you basically reach the end of the strand. Okay, and then grab one of the small hair ties and tie it well. Again, you don't want to... What the fuck was that? Gravity, man, makes some weird noises. Swear to God. I'm on edge, but I'm sure it's fine. Alright, next, you're going to pull. You start from the bottom. A lot of mistakes that people make with this kind of like the pulling style of hair to where it's like kind of thicker is that they start from the top, but if you start from the bottom, it just progressively gets wider and wider, so it's much easier to pull. And again, it doesn't have to like look perfect, you just want it to like look kind of thick and cute. Just still like watching the door, like what the hell was that, honestly. I have this like weird pet door that like came with the house, but I don't actually have any pets. So I got that going for me. I'm trying to get a cat soon though, maybe next year. And pull, 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 pull. And you'll notice that this part will kind of start to like misshapen, just like pull it back down a little bit on the very bottom to keep it from like doing that weird like loopy fishtaily thing. See how much like thicker and nicer that looks? If you'd like to like keep going, you can, but just when you get it to a nice level of thickness. All right. That looks pretty good to me, so I'm gonna leave mine there. And let's do the other side. Again, grab a piece that will just be the kind of loose part. Should look like that. And then braid the rest. When I do braid so much, my hands like really start to hurt. That's the one problem of having long hair. I don't know, it's not like arthritis or anything. It's just like after so long, it just really starts to get your fingers sore. Okay, and then once you run out of hair, again, go ahead and tie the bottom. And just like we did to this side, start at the bottom and work your way up, just pulling each section of hair until it's nice and thick. Okay, make sure that they're both fairly even in thickness. They look pretty okay to me, so we'll roll with this. Okay, now we're going to wrap it around. And when you wrap it, try to keep it kind of flat. Don't let it balloon. Kind of keep it so it looks more like a flower or a rose than like a cup, if that makes sense. Okay, and then once you run out of hair, go ahead and take your bobby pin and pin it down. Now time to make sure that it is secure, so make sure you take as many bobby pins as you fancy and pin it down in various places. That's pretty self-explanatory, but you never know. Okay, and I'll do one more, just to keep it in. Okay, and then if you don't like the shape you have, or you have like some kind of weird, I don't know, just bouncy pieces that don't fit in, take the U-pin and just stab it into the place that is not cooperating. And it'll bring it down to look slightly more normal. All right, now let's go ahead and do the other side. Pull it around. And bobby pin it down. Okay, and then again I'm going to take a U-pin and kind of get the shape I would like a little bit more. I think it's kind of volcano-y. If that makes any sense at all. It looks too much like a volcano. And this little one just will not go in. But that can be a job for hairspray. I'm not going to worry too much about it. Okay, so once you get the shape that you would like, and this part I will fix with hairspray, we're going to take our curling iron and just wrap it around the free-falling hair. Just like that. And then the other side. I usually have the curls pointing outside, but if you prefer to have them in, I think it will look just as cute, or maybe no difference at all. This is just how I like to do mine. Yep. Alright, you have two cute little springs. And we're almost done. Now just whatever you want to do with your bangs and just the final touches. My bangs I want to keep relatively flat. Yeesh. Take your hairbrush, make sure it all looks good. Alright, and now I'm going to hairspray everywhere. Make sure that it looks cute. Kind of push any weird strays down. There we go. Spray the top too and make it flat. Stray hairs. Good. Alright, and now it is time to add the accessories.